We had our bar top and our tabletops and the backsplash for the draft lines installed in July of 2021. We went with Rigidized Metals because of their great reputation in Western New York, and we were looking for copper in particular and a stamped copper pattern on it to accent the country, rustic, industrial feel we have going on here. The way the copper patinas and ages and changes over time just adds character. It's very durable, and we've just kind of let it go and do its own thing, and we're very happy with the consistency and the look. We would definitely recommend it. Rigidized was wonderful to work with from the management down, very accommodating, and we love the look. So if it's a look you're going for with copper, I wouldn't go anywhere else. We get a ton of compliments about it from patrons and visitors to the tap room. Looking for something unique, I'd say Rigidized is your go-to. Metal made better.